When you buy a new Porsche, you get a gift like no other. An experience at Silverstone to learn more about the car and, more importantly, your ability. This opportunity is something to ensure you take up, and for me, buying an ST opened up a very special opportunity. Porsche Centre Silverstone has to be one of the best-run venues I have ever experienced. The facility is specially designed away from the main circuit, with amazing instructors ready to teach you the vital skills that you need to enjoy safely your new Porsche purchase. This isn't about driving like you stole the car. It's the opposite. It's about you learning how intelligent the cars are, and most likely how little you know about your own ability in a controlled environment. In a real-life situation, these skills are going to come in handy. You practice situations until you get it right, and when you do, the feeling of achievement is one thing. Your new skills are something else. And when you don't, it's okay, let's try that again. What you learn here is so important. So let's take a look at the kick plate. The kick plate is a safe and exciting way to learn about skid correction. The hydraulically operated plate kicks the car sideways onto an icy surface. The intensity can be varied, and also the direction of the kick. This is to help you to understand about the amount of correction that is needed to be applied, and aimed at improving your reaction times. When you master this technique, it's really satisfying. More importantly, you are learning about keeping you and your car safe. When you master the kick plate, the ice hill takes things to another level. A 7% slope, water jets sprayed onto a special surface to represent an icy road. Here you learn about the intelligence of the Porsche safety systems, experiencing how 2- and 4-wheel drive grip is controlled. When the instructor turns off the traction control systems, you're on your own, and you learn to appreciate the Porsche Engineers' hard work, as it is mind-blowing. This experience is something you won't ever forget, and one thing is for sure, you will be telling your friends about how safe your car is in a conversation, rather than the 0 to 60 times. What Porsche Silverstone have done here is so valuable. As an example, placing the left wheels on the tarmac and right wheels on the icy surface. The car works out how to drive in a straight line and then stop in a controlled manner. It looks simple, but I learned to trust the car, and this is the ST with the lightened flywheel and clutch. Trying again, only faster. And even with all this power and the way that this amazing 4-liter engine can rev up, it just knows what to do. For me, this was not what I expected at all. Now, trying to unease the car into a spin, with traction control on, you still need to know what you're doing, but the car helps you out. Let's try that again, only a little faster. And now I am more prepared. Okay, so now I'm just enjoying myself. This looks like nothing. But in a real-world situation, muscle memory plays a large part of your reaction to an incident. And then the instructor reminds you about the cars doing a lot of the work. So let's turn it off. This is now all driver. That felt like an achievement. Remember, this is the ST. So let's try the kick plate. Start at 20 miles per hour. It sounds easy. Having seen so many people spin already, this is more challenging than it looks. The instructor explains how speed affects the situation. Let's try 24 miles per hour. The kick plate also sends me in a different direction. You have no idea what's going to happen. All Porsche safety features switched off, and the instructor now pushing things to the limits. I am enjoying this so much, the instructor pushes the boundaries.
No pressure again.
No pressure. Hold the speed, hold it, look. Oh, you thrive on pressure. I should have said that earlier.
Everything I did was so much fun, but more importantly, it was aimed at safety. I've learned more about my new car now. I also understand how amazing the Porsche Engineers are and what they have achieved. And if I was asked to give this a score out of 10, can I say 11? This video has only shown some of the elements I experienced, so if you have not booked your experience yet, I highly recommend you do. And if you want to learn more, remember you don't need to own a Porsche to take part. Call the center and book a session. I must warn you about the only negative. After this, you will want to buy a Porsche even more. Thanks for watching and stay safe on the roads.